River Crossing YMCA is not only one of the region's largest providers of childcare, but is also the area's foremost expert in helping families find their fun through our summer camp program. During summer 2025, River Crossing YMCA operated 19 day camp locations across Bucks, Hunterdon, Lehigh, and Northampton counties. Through educational play, field trips, swim lessons, and more, Y campers made lifelong memories guided by caring mentors. Like all Y programming, we ensure summer camp is accessible to children, regardless of family hardship. We do this through our Y Financial Assistance Program. Thanks to the generosity of donors, corporations, and community funders, the Y awarded over $471,000 in camp scholarships, providing affordable, high-quality experiences this summer. We are thankful to all who made our 2025 camp season scholarships possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.